Hi, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Beads. And before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. In this video you will see how to crochet amazing beaded cord. It is very easy and fun to make. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the segment. For this, make a chain. 1, 2, 3 chains more. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. My ring is ready. So let's crochet half double crochet with seed bead. Make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Draw seed beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the ring. Make 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So the half of the segment is ready. Work with the opposite stitch. Make 6 half double crochet with seed bead. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In total I have got 12 half double crochet with seed bead. Let's complete my round. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make a slip stitch and pull it. And now I show you how to make a row of trim. Make a chain of 2, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch. Make a slip stitch, chain, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My segment is ready. Here how it looks. When you are done, continue working on the cord. Let's crochet the next segment. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, chain of 2. As I did before, make 12 half double crochet. I work into the ring. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work with the opposite side. Let's count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. To complete the work, to complete this row, insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. A chain of 2 and make a slip stitch into the stitch. Chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch. So keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. Insert the hook into the last stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did on the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. I have done 2 segments. You can use it like an earring or pendant, or it's gonna be perfect idea for a brooch. You can crochet more segment and it will be bracelet, necklace or belt. I will begin the 3rd segment and you can continue with your own. Make a chain, make single crochet, chain of 3 and work with treble crochet into the single crochet, chain of 2 and so on. Work with half double crochet with seed bead and so on. So you should make as many segments as you need for your project. I have done all my segments. Here how they look like. To complete this round and the work, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, then chain and make a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. Pull a little bit. I will use like a jewelry such as bracelet or necklace. Also you can sew the stuff to the my cord and create your own project. Let's look at the back side. This is another one. It is not very difficult to make. Here how it looks on my hand. All additional information about the tools and another video tutorials could be found in the description of each video tutorial. There are a lot of useful information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my social media such as Facebook, and write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good luck in crocheting!